See that motherfucker? You see that shit? Yeah, you see that shit. Once you get on that fucking Facebook at the goddamn library, whenever you do, you gonna see that shit. That motherfucker's ready for your ass. What up, bitch? It's me. You oughta know me. Think you bad? Bring your black ass on down here. I'm gonna show you who's fucking bad. Cause you think all you can do is walk around and talk shit? And you talking about I get in trouble? I'm the troublemaker, motherfucker? I'm gonna tell you like it is. Your fucking mouth ran into some goddamn trouble. I'm gonna tell you like it is. Right here. Me and my brother, we gotten sick and tired of your fucking mouth. Everybody else around here, they don't give a damn, but you know, so I gotten way fucking tired. You think you bad. But once you check this motherfucker right here out, that shit, I don't need no fucking gun. I don't need no fucking pocket knife. I don't need shit but that motherfucker right there. And myself with my goddamn fist. You think you bad. All because you think you got me figured the fuck out. You think you got me so figured out that you can just walk all over me, motherfucker. You ain't number the fast talking motherfucker any goddamn way. Oh yeah, and another thing. I looked on your fucking Facebook. Yeah, I looked on your fucking Facebook, and how the hell can you have how the hell can you be in an open relationship? Your monkey ass, I just not too long ago heard from your own brother that you don't got no fucking body. Me, I'm gonna say it like it is. I don't got no fucking body, but you see my damn relationship status? Yeah, single. That don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing. To you, it must mean something, because you must be fucking yourself, you faggot motherfucker. Looking like some guy, trying to be like some motherfucking MJ, looking like the goddamn Steve Urkel. But you know something? You ain't even worth, fighting. You ain't even worth killing. You worth whooping real badly. All you gotta do is take my motherfucking belt that's on me right now. On me right now. And whoop your motherfucking ass like your mama and daddy should have did you a long fucking time ago, bitch. You think you know me. Motherfucker, you don't even know me. So, my advice to you, you better keep your fucking ass in that goddamn house. Yeah, I may not be driving by myself right now. Yeah, I got a license though, but I'm not driving. That ain't gonna stop me from finding your ass and whooping it. Because even if I had to walk, or even if I had to get Sean to bring me, my brother, Deshaun. Or if I had to find somebody to do my bidding, nah, I don't want nobody doing that. That's being a pussy. I'm gonna be a man about it, and you be a man too. Bring your black ass on out of here, because I will be fucking waiting, motherfucker. Get ready for your kiss of death, bitch. Mwah. There it is. Call Blaine Reed. Somebody call Blaine Reed. This motherfucker gonna die tonight. I'm telling you, this motherfucker gonna die tonight. Call Blaine Reed, motherfucker. Call him. I'm ready. If I gotta die, he's going to hell with me. Only thing is, I'm coming straight the fuck back.